Some of the challenges on this site is one, main packing area, getting access up into the roof area, how much kilowatts of panels and how much power is going to be required for the longer term, so future proofing, and also their pumps is distributed quite widely throughout their different farms, so hence here is probably a good kilometre, 1.2 kilometres from their main packing shed, so we had to locate, identify and prepare a site that's specific for their power requirements here. They have a 90 kilowatt pump here. Thankfully it's a VSD, variable speed drive, which requires a lot of power, potentially up to 90, average 70 to 80, which is perfect for a 100 kilowatt solar system. At this time of year it does get quite hot. Regularly temperatures can be anywhere between 32 up to 40 degrees. Winter is quite good due to it gets nice and cool up here as well. Other challenges is, again, just so far from all their supply, where they've got to get their cartons, their fertiliser, where the water comes from, the channels, and the cost of energy to distribute that. On this particular farm, I think it's around about 400 plus acres of land here. This is all volcanic with basalt underground, so it was a bit of a challenge to get soil tests to make sure that we could ground mount. They wanted a non-invasive ground mount system with it, so that requires a short-foot design from Victoria. It's an Australian invention where there's no concrete required, and we had to make sure that we didn't hit any big boulders because the Atherton Tablelands is actually littered with a lot of round, large basalt boulders.